The sounds of ED. ED makes three sounds. One of the sounds is ed. If a word ends with the letter T, like in plant, and you wanted to add ed to it, the ed would make the ed sound. The same thing is true with the word seed. If you added ed to it, it would say seed ed. If you take the word walk, notice it ends in a K, not a T, and you added ed to it, it would say walked. The same thing is true of the word talked. So the ed makes a t sound. These words are called unvoiced because they do not make your vocal cords vibrate. Now, if the word does make your vocal cords vibrate, like the word failed, then the ed makes a d sound. It is also true in the word peeled. The ed makes the d sound. These are considered voiced words because they make your vocal cords vibrate. If the word does not make your vocal cords vibrate, they are considered unvoiced and they make a t sound. If the initial word ends in a t or a d, then the ed makes the ed